Hi everyone, how are you doing? I want to make this video on how to access your cloud phone, do proper explanation about the cloud phone and some settings that you need to do on your cloud phone. So as a new user you might be confused, but don't worry, maybe once you are done with your research about cloud phone and everything and you've gotten your cloud phone maybe from me or from any vendor that you bought the cloud phone from. So you now need to access your cloud phone using your email address and your password. Understand? Maybe your vendor must have buy your cloud phone with your email and password. So you're now left to use your your email and password to sign in order to access your cloud phone. So let me tell you how to access your cloud phone and do explanation about the cloud phone. So if you go to your Google now or your Chrome, anyone, just type Vmos Cloud, Vmos Cloud Phone. If you are not given a link, you just type this Vmos Cloud Phone. Then here's the website. If you touch this website, if you touch the website, they will bring you here. So here now you just type this try free online. Try free online. So you will use that your email address, that your vendor using purchasing that your cloud phone for you. You just put that your email address and put your password. If you just put your email address, you put your password, the password that you give your vendor to buy the cloud phone for you. If you put your password, you now log in. So once you are in as a new user, this is how everything will look. Yeah, this place is if you want to buy a cloud phone, but I don't think you need this now. Just type this straight line up here and go to home. Yeah, go to home. Here is the cloud phone. This is the cloud phone that you've been hearing about. This is the cloud phone. This cloud phone is like a phone that is sold online, and this place that is sold, you can do anything with it. Take surveys, open multiple accounts, foreign accounts, anything you want to do with it. As long as you are connected on your proxy, you can do anything with this cloud phone. So this cloud phone keeps you secured and protected for you to take surveys and you won't get banned. Like you won't get banned when you are doing it on your normal phone. So to be lesser for you to get banned. So this is the cloud phone, and there are some settings that you need to do as a new cloud phone. You need to put proxy. You need to put proxy on the cloud phone, because if you just enter the cloud phone like this, if you enter it without putting cloud phone and do analysis, you see that the IP that the phone came with is very very bad. So let's check on this Chrome to see the IP that the phone has. Use without an account for now. No thanks. So let's check on ipscore.io to make sure that ipscore.io. Let's see. You see, this IP is very very bad. This IP you cannot use it for surveys. You cannot use this IP for survey because it's showing VPN through, and you should have a fraud score down here. Yeah, you see, it have a fraud score of 66. So you cannot use this IP for any site you enter with this IP. They'll just ban you immediately. You understand? So for you to go out from your cloud phone, just tap this icon up here, this X icon up here. So if you tap it, you just put your I made a video on how to put proxy on cloud phone. So if you watch the video, I'm sure you would understand how to put a proxy on your cloud phone. So look at this one. This one is renew, this is rename, this is reboot and reset. So let me explain this reset for you now. This reset now, if you've done a previous account, maybe a survey account, and you made a mistake and your account was banned, you just come on this icon, this settings icon on your phone now, then touch this reset. If you touch this reset, you press OK, and you reset your phone. Once you're done resetting it, you just refresh your page. If you refresh your page, you'll tell that your phone is initializing, like it's resetting. So if you like I said before, if you did a survey and they ban you, so now you want to start afresh, creating new account. Don't just delete the app or use another browser to try to take another survey. No, first of all, and reset the phone by tapping this icon here, then touch this reset icon here, this reset option here. If you touch it, you will now reset your phone. Everything will be wiped, even your IP, your proxy, and everything will be wiped. It will come back to this cloud phone IP. It will come back to this IP, because if you flash the phone, everything will just wipe. If you don't notice, you see that everything is still bad. So you need to put proxy after analysis, after flashing the phone. You need to put back your proxy on it, make sure that everything is okay. So how to put proxy? You see this modify proxy IP. If you tap this modify proxy IP, you put your proxy name. If it's Johnny's, you put it your proxy name Johnny's, and your server, you put your port account, and this account is the username and your password. Then press this network detail to make sure that the system have detected your location. Then you now press this OK to modify your IP. So I made a video on that, so just go and watch it. So once you are done, as a new user, you are here now. Maybe your vendor might have put your proxy for you, or he gave you your proxy password for you to put on your own. So watch that my previous video to learn how to put proxy on your cloud phone. So once you are done, everything is set. So I think I should pause this video and put my proxy so that I will continue from there. Alright, so once you are done putting your proxy and everything, or maybe your vendor might have put your proxy for you, you just tap your cloud phone, just enter your cloud phone. Let's see how let me explain most things on this cloud phone. So here you are. If you enter your cloud phone as a new user, you need to sign into this Play Store using your UK email address, because if you use your Nigeria or your local email address to sign in, you will not be able to access Survey Sites app or any foreign app you want to access. So make sure that you go to your main phone and create an email address owning a VPN. Understand? Make sure you go to your main phone. You can use this free VPN that I'm using, this free VPN here, this VPN Super. You can use it to create on it and create a UK email address. You understand? Create it on your main phone. Then once you are done creating it, you just sign it in inside your cloud phone. Don't use your Nigerian email to sign in. You can use your Nigerian email to take surveys, to sign up for survey site. But once you're inside your cloud phone and you're a new user signing into Play Store, you need your UK email address. Yeah, you need your UK or USA email address. Both of them can go. You can use your UK or USA email address to sign into Play Store for you to be able to access foreign apps. You cannot use your Nigerian email, but you can use your Nigerian email later on to sign up for survey apps, for survey sites or survey apps. So let me sign into the Play Store with one of my UK email. So if you sign in with your UK email, you will see every UK survey apps, or every UK apps that UK citizens can access. So that's why you need to on a VPN. If you don't have one, just on a VPN, on a free VPN, and create a UK email address, or oh my god, or USA email address. Let me confirm this thing. So these are the settings that you need to do on your cloud phone as a new user. Sign in. First thing, make sure that your proxy is connected to your cloud phone, and make sure that you sign into your Play Store using your UK or USA email for you to be able to access foreign sites. Okay, sometimes after going out from your Vmos page, everywhere will show blank. Just tap this tap this X icon here and come back to your phone. Like sometimes you just go out from your cloud phone and come back, everywhere will be blank, you'll not be seeing anything. Just tap that line and this icon here and go out. So let me show you something. Had it been assigning with my Nigerian email, I will not see any UK apps or any USA apps. So I need to use my UK email to sign in for me to see all these apps like Atapo, Bounce app, WeWorld, all these apps, Prime Opinion. Anyone you search it, you see it because you used branded surveys, Survey Junkie, and every other survey apps. So because I sign in with my UK email, so that's the first thing. So once you are done signing in, download the first three important apps. The first one is your Gmail. Yeah, the first one is your Gmail. You are going to be using your Gmail for you to receive links sent by survey sites. So you download your Gmail app first thing. You download the survey app you want to work on, and also for those that are using Outlook, I'm using Outlook, so you can download Outlook instead of Gmail. Anyone you want to use, anyone. I'm using Outlook as well, so I'll just download my Outlook app and I'll download this because I'm going to be using it for my survey. If you download everything, it's gonna be here. Your survey app, your email, and your Outlook. Anyone that you download, it's gonna be here. So you just do the registration and bring in every survey app that you want to work on. Bring it in, like download everything so that it will be here. So it will be here on your home page. So download them here. Just be operating the phone as your normal Android phone. You understand? This cloud phone is just like a normal Android phone, but why we are paying for this cloud phone is because some of these survey sites, they want you to own your location. You understand? And you cannot own your Nigerian location when you are using your main phone. That's why you need a cloud phone. So on this cloud phone, your location can be on. Let me show you something. You can own your location. Okay. Yeah, you can own your phone location either by scrolling down or anywhere. You just scroll down and own your location for any survey app that asks you for location. Just on it. You understand? Don't be scared. Just on it on this your platform because you are protected by your proxy. You understand? Your proxy is connected to the phone, so you are safe. So another thing to do on your cloud phone, I've explained the first one. Sign in with your UK email. Make sure that you are connected to your proxy. Another way to know that you are connected to your proxy is by doing analysis. If you don't do analysis, you will not know if you are connected to your proxy or you are still using the main phone's IP. So you just tap this your Chrome. If you tap your Chrome, you check on this ipscore.io. You see ipscore.io. You just search. Then to make sure that you are connected, you see we're in Arizona, United States of America. So we are good to go now. Another place to check your IP is on. Don't worry about these figures that are here. This is your IP. Don't worry. Sometimes your IP will be displaying like this, but don't worry. It's still okay as long as it's showing wireless or it's showing residential. So any IP that is showing business is not okay unless you know where you get the proxy from. Your vendor guarantee that the proxy is okay. So another place to check your IP is on scamanalytics.com. Let me show you. I did a video on how to check IPs both for Mistral VPN users and proxy users to check your IP to make sure that your IP is okay. So on scamanalytics.com, scamanalytics.com, yeah, let's just search for this okay, look at it here, scamanalytics.com, to make sure that the first score on scamanalytics is not more than 12 or so, just from 0 to 12 is okay. Is okay. So you just paste your IP here and search. Let's see. You see, the first one is 5, so that's okay. This is perfect. So we can now use this for our surveys, and we are good to go. This is okay. Make sure you do this analysis, because if you don't do this analysis and you use that phone IP, that main IP that the phone came with, if you don't do analysis and you use that IP, you get your account to be banned. Your survey account, anyone you just create, they'll ban it immediately. So make sure you confirm your email your IP address to make sure that the first score is from 0 to 12 and it's showing residential on ipscore.io. So make sure that everything is intact and set before you enter any survey app that you downloaded here. You understand? So I think that will be all for now. I'll be making a video on how to message support. Let me show you, in case you're having problems with your cloud phone. Maybe you're noticing some glitches or anything, or it's lagging, your cloud phone is lagging. Just message the support. Let me show you something. You see this thing here, this thing like a headset, this thing beside this notification icon. Just tap this thing here. The first one is for you to chat with them online, for you to email them, chat with them on Discord or Facebook. But let's go with this Telegram, because for me to contact them, I'm just chatting them on Telegram and they'll resolve my problem. So just tap this Telegram. Yeah, they'll bring you here now for you to join. Once you join, you are free to type. Okay, you tell them, maybe if your phone is lagging, hi, greetings, please, my cloud phone is lagging. Please, can you help me resolve it, or forward it to your tech. So this is okay. Just type just add your full stop and go to your cloud phone and copy your ID, because that will be necessary. They will ask you for your device ID. That your device ID, they will use it to correct anything that your speaker is not working. There are some people that buy a cloud phone, their speaker is not working. So don't just worry. Any problem that you're having at all, just type a message and tell them what's happening with your phone. Maybe your speaker is not working. You just type it. You tell them that your speaker is not working. Then once you're done, on the down part, just give space and copy your phone ID, because they will need it. You understand? Your particular phone. Copy the ID here. This is your phone ID by tapping this settings icon. Oh my god. You should go back to home. You tap this settings here. Then this is your phone ID. You copy this ID and go back to your Telegram and tell them that you write something like my phone ID is, then you now paste your phone ID. They'll use this thing to resolve your cloud phone. You just send it. Once you send it, don't worry, this message might pop up, but just know that their support is kind of busy. So don't worry, they will attend to you, and sometimes they will tag you and tell you that they forwarded it to their support, or they've resolved it. So anyone, just be checking here. They will tag you and tell you that have been resolved, or they need something from you. So that's why you need to add this your phone ID for them to use it to contact you. So as you can see here, this is about 8,000 members plus, and 500 people are online. So they come here to message them, and their problems will be resolved. So don't worry, just be checking in here the next few minutes, maybe 5 minutes or so, we check back. Then if they have not attended to you, just copy this thing and paste it again and send to them. You understand? Send it to them, they will resolve it. Yeah, they will resolve it, they must surely resolve it. Just be checking in. So that's it for now. Your cloud phone. Here's the cloud phone and a proper explanation about the cloud phone. Some settings to do on your cloud phone and things to take note of before you start a survey site.